Welcome back to another episode of How Hard Could It Be? It's the show where a friend and I get together and try something new, make something magical, make something musical. On today's episode, we're jamming, we're grooving, and we're making music by building our own ukulele. As always, I've invited a friend. She's the host of Please Be Nice to Me, another great show right here on the All Good No Worries YouTube channel. But did you know that she's also a talented musician, singing and writing her own music under the moniker Mom's Home? I'm excited for her to join us today. She's Charlotte Avery.
What's up, assholes?
That was perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming out today.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, Lindsay.
So I'm excited to have you here because I've been on your show, Please Be Nice to Me, where I think I was nice to you.
Oh yeah, big time. You lost, but you were nice to me.
So the point here is there's no winners or losers. We are nice to each other.
That's true.
And we get to make something cool.
You don't get any points for being nice on this show, though.
Can I have like extended points on your show for things I do here?
Sure.
Anyways.
Yeah, okay, yeah. 5 points to Lindsay.
Yes. So today we are going to make our own ukulele. Have you ever made a musical instrument?
I definitely made a guitar out of a tissue box when I was a kid.
Of course.
So
It's like
probably pretty similar.
Classic kindergarten craft.
Otherwise, no. I play professionally handcrafted instruments.
Yes. I'm gonna get out all the parts that we're gonna use to build our ukulele. I wanted to custom cut and shape our own guitar body, but it turns out that involves a lot of woodworking skill and like power tools and like wood bending.
Right.
And didn't really know how to do that.
Yeah.
So we have a body that we're gonna start with. So I'm gonna put out all the parts that this kit comes with. There will be a lot of stuff that we're doing on our own.
Are we gonna be staining this?
We're going to be painting it.
Oh, okay, sick.
With spray paint.
Okay, should I have not worn clothes that I like?
So Charlotte, you actually know stuff about music whereas I go, what this do?
Yeah. I think there's a beauty in saying, And someone says, what genre is this? You go, I don't know. You say, what's a time signature? And you go, I don't know. What's timbre? You go, I don't know.
I mean, yeah.
Petra who? Clara what?
When I pose the question that this show asks, how hard could it be? In the beginning, I go,
Yeah, how hard could it be? Really hard.
We've all been there. You walk into your favorite pet store, pick up a bag of dog treats, look at the bag, and don't recognize a single ingredient listed. All you see are a list of nitrates, and other impossible to decipher ingredients. Well, Colorado Pet Treats, a woman-owned Denver-based company, is challenging the way things are done by creating single-ingredient dog treats that don't have any fillers or preservatives. They keep things simple and transparent. When their ingredients list says chicken, they mean only chicken. And because their treats are single-ingredient and come in a variety of flavors, they are perfect for any allergy-prone or picky dogs of every size. Arlen absolutely loves these treats. She will show off every trick in her book to be like, hey, give me one of those yummy treats. I deserve it. So stop settling for unhealthy, overpriced dog treats and make the switch to Colorado Pet Treats. Trust us and Arlen. Your dog will thank you. Visit coloradopetreats.com and use the code HOWHARD10 at checkout for 10% off your order. That's HOWHARD 10 at checkout. Hey, it's me, Linz. I'm here to tell you about Shady Rays. They're a sponsor of today's episode. Listen, it's getting to the point in summer where you pretty much have to put a pair of sunglasses on every time you go outside. Now, for me, that's all year round. Gotta protect these eyes, okay? But it's been really hard for me to find a go-to pair of sunglasses that aren't constantly getting tangled in my hair. Luckily, our friends at Shady Rays have new tangle-free aviators that have a patent-pending nose piece that they designed specifically to avoid tangling. Here they are right here. I love them. They don't have those weird little nose pieces. They slide on, shoop, 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 all around, and they don't tangle up my hair. Plus, Shady Rays offers the most insane protection in all of eyewear if you lose or break a pair. Even on day one, they will send you a brand new pair, no questions asked. And if you don't love your pair, you can exchange for a new pair or return them for free within 30 days. Exclusively for our viewers, Shady Rays is giving out their best deal of the season. Go to shadyrays.com/tangle-free and use code HOWHARD for 30% off their best-selling tangle-free aviators and much more. Save before they all sell out and try yourself the shades rated 5 stars by over 250,000 people. So Charlotte, I want to let you pick out the color and what kind of we should use some painter's tape and make a little shape on there.
Yeah, I was thinking that maybe we could make the all good no worries flower. No? Okay.
Maybe I can do the flower.
I hope you know I'm gonna razz you.
Good, you know what? Even Patrick was just a little too nice.
What are you doing there? Oh, that's pretty.
Right? That's what I'm trying to do is.
All right. Do you want me to do something in the meantime?
This is not pretty.
Okay,
I feel like I should draw it.
I was gonna say you should draw it.
That's great. That's better than mine.
Okay, this looks like garbage.
Okay, so what I've done now
this is fucking horseshit.
I just faked some double-sided tape to like...
This channel has got too much feel good, you know? I'm trying to make it hostile.
Trying to make garbage over here.
Because I have a whole show about being nice. And I regret that.
Okay, so I've taped that on there. So
I feel like yours is a much nicer silhouette.
do you want them to overlap?
Mine looks like one of those Italian cookies.
Well, like look at yeah, if she's showing it from this side. Oh, it's so cute though.
It is cute.
You know what'd
it's not
be cute?
very round. What?
What if we tape it
Around?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't have had to cut out the middle at all, actually? Oh my God, that's so cute. Wow, wow, wee, wah. Oh my God. Lindsey. You got a nice set here.
Thank you. It's all my personal stuff. I'm so sorry.
That's some fucking bullshit.
So here's the paints that I have, Charlotte.
Yeah?
I've got pink and green.
Gay.
I've got gold
Straight.
and blue
Nice.
and black.
Blue and black, I think. So this is not how to make a ukulele, it's how to paint a ukulele.
This is the first part.
Look how much this is raised up. You're gonna get all kinds of
I'm gonna
paint down
spray
there.
it from the top.
There's a fucking drop shadow on this. Give me that tape. Is this double-sided?
No.
We have double-sided tape.
I don't know where it is. Oh, it's gonna smell like spray paint in here, guys.
Yeah, is that okay?
You know what? Whatever. Do you want to do it first?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just aim and fire?
Yeah, just aim and fire. Give it a few passes. Oh, that's great.
Like that? Okay.
Yeah.
Do we have ventilation in here? Do we have masks?
Oh shit. It's very fumy.
That's bad, dude. Lindsey, how hard could it be to get high?
Sorry guys, I didn't realize it would be that bad. Should we get a fan?
Yeah, something. Are we not doing the neck?
Oh yeah, fuck, we should do the neck. Shoot, the neck. Ah, quick. Blue?
Pink.
Pink?
Give me pink. No. This is primer. Give me the gold.
No, it's paint. It's paint and primer.
But it didn't come out as a color.
All right, Dan.
We stopped recording to let the studio air out. Upon returning and switching the fan off, we forgot to turn on Charlotte's microphone for the next 5 minutes. Oopsie.
All right, we had to fan it out a little bit. It's still a little bit scented in here.
Oh yeah.
But we spray painted our beautiful guitar body.
It's really nice. It's a ukulele in some places.
Yes, in most places, and the neck. So there's the neck. Oh, it stands on its own, look at
We
that.
call this ukulele gender reveal.
Yeah. So here's the,
Oh, okay. Wow. Look at this one. Okay. Wow, so nice.
all right, I've got the rest of the parts here. And by the rest of, I mean the actual parts. And there's a lot of steps. So let's see what the first thing we need to do is. Standing the body. The neck and body of your ukulele has been ruffled. Oh, sanding, it wanted us to sand it. Too bad.
If you think something's too hard, skip that step. Where's the fretboard?
Isn't it this?
No.
Is it
It's the
this?
bridge. No, you don't. It's the thing you fingered
So that's gonna go,
on like such.
yes.
So take the nut and place it on the neck where the headstock starts to go down from the neck.
So that's this point where the headstock starts to go down from the neck. See?
Yes.
Now, as for what the nut is, that's number 8. I don't know. It's very small. Number 8.
This.
Nut.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. I didn't know this was called a nut.
Yeah.
Mark below it.
Mark below it. Okay, that feels pretty good.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Hold on. There's something about the middle position of the nut.
This is turning out to be, I was like, this will be so easy. It's a pre-made kit.
A pre-made kit would be buying a ukulele. We're gonna glue the fretboard on under the nut line.
So here's the glue. I'm gonna just spread it all over.
Well, hold on. Apply the glue to the underneath of the fretboard. So let's put it on here, right? Or no, just here, I guess? Yeah, because this has got, never
God.
Oh. Lindsey, what the fuck? You got shit on our shit.
Okay, so you wanna put the fretboard on there in that position?
Mark, move the fretboard into position and clamp it down.
I got clamps, I do. Okay, that's being clamped.
Are there more clamps?
One
This is coming off on the top.
One more clamp.
Move it further down a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now clamp.
Okay, now I do the top.
Yep, okay. Clamp.
Okay,
Right.
so that's being clamped.
Okay, this feels professional.
We advise
The
letting the
body.
glue dry for 24 hours. Well, yeah. What's the next step? Connect the neck and the body. We advise maybe the following.
Yeah, so we just need to wait 24 hours. Now this could be an instrument, just hitting this with a hammer. We call that percussion. I feel like these are gonna Final Destination me, Lindsey.
They're not even sharp.
Doesn't need to be.
They're not sharp, they're flat. It's a music joke.
It is a music joke. That's pretty, I didn't even get that. It was so off my radar.
We're going to position the bridge.
May I?
Yeah, of course. Do you know what you're doing?
Nope. This is going well. I'm having a great time, Lindsey.
I love that for you.
What about for you?
It's an acceptable time. That's great. Look at that. Position the bridge. Now we can put the little bridge decor, right? Does that go in there now?
Yeah. Nice.
Ooh,
Nice.
squeaky.
Hey, that was great, pal.
The ukulele has 4 tuners that must be installed on the headstock. 2 left and 2 right. So we should do that part.
That makes sense. You can't string it without the pegs in.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing.
No, you said you were going to give it a go.
Charlotte, what do I do? Just go like that?
No.
Go like that?
Okay, yeah, so the gear goes down.
Okay,
So
let's do the first
let's
one.
do the first one. Let's do the first one. That's like, the life in the fast lane. Yeah.
Put another one in there.
Yeah, put another one in there.
Oh. Got it. Life in the fast lane. Okay.
Yeah, okay, cool. That's actually, you may have picked up on not what a ukulele is supposed to sound like. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get some of this out of the way.
Okay.
We're gonna start tightening these.
Loosening or tightening?
Well, we have to loosen before we tighten.
Yeah.
So by holding it up, that should, yeah. You hold it up like that, and that leaves it taut enough that it still winds up. And when you tighten it, you want the string coming out to go under the string going in. Or it's the other way. I honestly don't remember. I haven't strung a lot of instruments. See how it's winding around
Yes.
the tuning peg?
Yes.
That's what we want. You should do one of these.
Okay.
Let me get one more and make sure I know what I'm doing.
Does she know what she's doing?
Maybe.
Okay.
So loosen that big thick boy.
Okay, and this way was loosened, right? Nope,
Nah.
This is the opposite. Okay, so it's loosened.
So what you want to do is get your fingers under it, put your thumb here, which I actually haven't been doing, and then
Okay.
pull up on it with one hand. And then you're going to
This?
tighten the screw with the other. Yeah, so this is giving it slack while you tighten it. Ooh, what's that? The sweet sound of music? It's pretty good. That's wrong.
So here's our finished ukulele. Charlotte, my question for you is, do you find that this was difficult?
That the glue makes me a better player? Yes. I thought that, you know, much like playing music, I thought making an instrument was easy.
Yeah.
It's not.
There was quite a lot of steps, and steps that we kind of skipped and didn't do totally proper because we are, you know,
We're mavericks,
content, baby.
We're out here in the Wild West. I think it's beautiful.
It definitely looks cute.
It's accidentally transgender.
Love that.
That's so cool. I support those people.
Me too. And you spent quite a lot of time tuning it, so I'm gonna give it a go. Smells like paint. Smells like paint. Smells like paint.
Sing it, sister.
Paint.
And glue.
Thanks for making the ukulele with me. I think that
You have to clamp it,
if you
yeah.
want to try it out, get the kit on Amazon. You can do it. Definitely use the time in between to like do the clamping properly, and your fretboard won't be popping off. I would say sand it a little bit more. These are just my pieces of advice, and maybe also know how to play and tune it because I don't. So I'm glad that Charlotte was here.
Maybe.
Thanks for joining me. Anything you want to add, Charlotte? Thanks for watching this episode. Watch more right here on the YouTube channel.